All right, guys, I just wanted to make a video explaining what the daily schedule is going to look like for high school for students, right? So just like last year, we're following an A-B block schedule, and then Fridays are alternating A-Day or B-Day. So from 8:30 to 9 at the first 30 minutes of each class period, you'll see that that's your live time, right? That's when teachers are going to go live and on Microsoft Teams, and you need to be in their classroom, right? That's when they are going to be teaching you the new material. So in first period and fifth period, it's going to be 8:30 to 9 a.m. Then the next 75 minutes, that's only first period and fifth because it's the first of the day. You'll see that second, third, and fourth are all 55 minutes. But that next block of time, that's going to be your classwork time, right? So maybe you're working in a small group with your teacher in another classroom. Maybe you're doing hub work by yourself. Maybe you're doing your homework or something like that, right? But the first 30 minutes, you're doing direct teach. And then that next block of time, you are doing your classwork, just like we were in class, right? The teacher teaches and then you do the work. So that's exactly like. Then we have a 5-minute break, right? So changing classes, 5 minutes. You have a 5-minute break, go to the bathroom, take your dog out, get a cup of coffee for Miss Salyer, whatever you need to do, okay? And then it repeats over. The second period, the first 30 minutes, you're live with your teacher. They're teaching you new material. The second 55 minutes, you're doing your classwork. You're in the hub, you're on a Google thing, you're doing some kind of assignment or working, and then we have a break. Then we have lunch, and then we have another break. So technically our lunch is 40 minutes, right? So from 11:45 to 12:25, you are on break doing whatever you need to do. Then it repeats over in the afternoon. Third period, first 30 minutes, you're going live. The next block of time, you're doing classwork. Then you switch classes. You get another 5-minute break. We try to give y'all breaks throughout the day, just like you would have in school. So take that, do what you need, stretch your legs, do whatever. But also you need to keep in mind that your classwork may not take you 55 minutes. So you may be able to get on your phone, check Instagram, whatever you need to do. I don't want y'all to think that you're going to be constantly, some days maybe you will be constantly doing things, but other days it may be an easy day. So take a breath, chill out. Last part of the day, first 30 minutes, you're going live with your teacher. They're teaching you. Second, the 55 minutes, you're doing classwork. This is the part that I wanted to show you down here at the bottom. That 3:20 to 4:10 time, those are office hours, right? So every teacher will be available to answer any questions that you may have, maybe do a little tutoring group. That's a time when it's kind of like almost advisory, but a tutoring, right? So if you have any questions, Miss Tittle, I didn't understand this algebra problem. Miss Taylor, can you help me with biology? Any teacher can help you during this 50-minute block at the end of the day. So if you have any more questions, my email is csalyer@houstonisd.org, and I will be able to answer any questions. Just let me know.